Hello everyone. Are you worried about your child's safety while working in the kitchen or while relaxing in your backyard? You certainly are, but need not be, because this baby monitor will help you see them live from a distance of up to 900 feet, which is almost a kilometer. Stay tuned for more information. Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon, select all for notifications of all our videos. VAVA's Baby Monitor helps you keep an eye on your baby even if you're away. It gives up to 300 meters connectivity between camera and the monitor when the antenna is kept at 90 degrees angle. The baby monitor allows two-way communication. Let's now unbox this amazing gadget. It has a user manual, a camera, a monitor, and two power adapters. The camera is HD with motorized tilting of up to 270 degree left and right and 108 degree up and down. It has a very clear night vision. The monitor has a 5-inch HD screen. It has 4500 mAh battery that powers up to 10 hours of screen time with audio and video. The monitor can connect up to 4 cameras at a time, and the two adapters are here. It allows two-way communication, which allows the parent and the child to communicate to each other using the camera and the screen. Let's check out this monitor a bit too closely. There is this power on and off button, which is on the top of the screen. A charging slot, the speakers, the antenna which can be tilted up to 90 degrees, and a stand. Let's review the buttons on the screen. There is this menu option, there is a zoom option, and the navigation keys help you control your camera directions. There is an autopilot button at the center of it. And hold on to the talk button to initiate a communication with your baby. Let's review the camera. The camera doesn't have a battery of its own, as it's directly connected to the charging point. A mic that's flexible to prevent it from damage, an antenna for connectivity, an indicator, basically a power indicator, and an on and off button, and an inbuilt speaker. It can also be mounted to the wall. And if you want to add an additional camera, you can use this button to pair a new camera with the monitor. Let's connect the power adapter to the camera and hold on to the power button to turn on the monitor. Okay, the reason for this poor connection is because the camera is not yet turned on. Now let's switch on the camera, and automatically the visuals will be visible in the monitor. Using the navigation keys, we can control the direction of the camera. Now as I press on the right side of the navigation key, we can see that the camera is turning to its right. And similarly, the camera would turn to the left if we click the left navigation key. Similarly, we can move the camera upwards and downwards using the up and down navigation keys. You can long press the talk button to enable two-way communication. When you click on the menu button, the first option is to control the volume from the child's room. And as you click on the OK button, you can increase or decrease the volume using the navigation keys. The second option available is to control the brightness of your screen. The third option is to add cameras. The first camera is already added, however you can add 3 more cameras, making it a total of 4. Okay, now let's see how to add an additional camera. After you click on the camera option, you will see the plus button and press OK. Then you will see this pop-up message. Now take the additional camera, connect it to the power adapter, and make sure it is switched on. Now click and hold the pair button at the bottom of your camera for 3 seconds. Now the additional camera will be added to the screen. The fourth option in the screen is to set an alarm. The default options available to us 2 hours, 4 hours and 6 hours. However, you have a custom options where you can set an alarm at whatever time you want it to ring. The fifth and the final option that's available to us in the screen is the settings. The first option within setting is to set a time. The current time as you want it to be displayed into it. The second option is the system's volume. You can set low, high and mute. The third option is to set the temperature scale. This temperature is of the baby's room. Here you can choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The next option is to set the auto sleep time for the screen. You can choose between 1 to 5 minutes, or rather you can also choose the screen is always on while you're monitoring. Please note, even if you set an auto sleep time, the camera will continue to monitor and all other functionalities will be active. The fifth option is restore to factory settings. This can be used when you make any mistake with the settings and you are unable to figure out where it is. The sixth option is the customer service contacts. You can check the email, telephone number as per your country without googling it out. Here you can see which camera's visuals are you currently watching. And here is the signal strength between the monitor and the camera. And this is the baby's room temperature. This is the current time. And this is the symbol that you have set an alarm. And this is the symbol that the speaker is muted. And this is your battery indicator. You can long press the talk button to enable two-way communication. And there is a voice intensity indicator at the top left corner of the screen too. Let me go to the baby's room. See how dark it is? Are you able to see anything? Look how clear the baby monitor visuals are in the dark room. And let's also see how it is when I turn on the room's light. As you can see that the black and white visuals are turned into color as I turned on the lights. Please note that the baby monitor does not require Wi-Fi or any other external network to operate. Also, it cannot be connected to Wi-Fi. As you can see that the baby monitor is a pretty easy device to set up. It doesn't require any technical knowledge. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our videos.